All right, so y'all been finding exact values. When they say what's the exact value, that means to you go to the unit circle, and it's going to be an answer like square root of 3 over 2 or something like. It's not going to be a decimal. So that's what we've been doing. Now we're going to do the approximate values. That means on the calculator. So they'll either say approximate, or they'll say use the calculator, or you'll know anyway, because the numbers they give you won't be on the circle. Like for instance, if I said 60 degrees, you know that's on the circle and you can do something with that. But they might say 62 degrees. So they're going to be giving you numbers that you literally can't do on the circle. So you'll know even if they don't tell you, use the calculator. All right, so I'm literally just showing you keystrokes for how to use the calculator for these. All right, so y'all got calculator at the ready. First thing on this problem, notice you're in degrees, so we need to put in degree mode. Do you remember how we've been doing that?
Nope.
We have been doing this. Mode 5-3. Mode 5-3. Thank you, Jesse. You are. No, not mode 5-3. Sorry, let me take back your awesomeness. My bad. Shift mode 3. That's what it should be. It's okay. It sounded similar. Shift mode 3. Shift mode 3 puts it in degree mode. All right. So y'all got to watch the problems because they'll flip-flop back and forth. All right. Once you put it in degree mode, you can type. Then you can hit sign, and it's going to open up like this. When you hit sign, it'll do this. And then you can put 61. You don't even have to put a degree on it because you already got it in degree mode. You probably don't even have to close the parentheses, to be honest. All right, so point what?
874.
874.6 if I round it. Is that good? All right, make sure that works. Pay attention to wherever they tell you to round. A lot of times they say 4 after because they know we're going to be getting decimal numbers here, so they take them out usually. All right, so that's all you will do for that. Now let's do a radian just to say we did. So this is a radian, I know, because it doesn't have a degree symbol. I don't know what that was. It doesn't have a degree symbol. It's automatically radian. It doesn't matter that it's got the pi at all. All right. We need to put it in radian mode now because this was radian. So you'll do shift, what'd you say, mode? 4. That's right. So go into radian, shift mode 4, and then you'll type it just like it looks. So if I was typing this one, I would hit tangent, it'd open up the parentheses, and then use the little fraction button and type it in just like it looks. And then round like we did the last one. 4 after the decimal would be good. What'd you get? Is that what that was? Hit SD and get a decimal. Is that negative 1 point? All right, 1. I had a 1 on the end of mine. Is that word? Okay. All right. All right, Lorena, you getting that? Yeah. All right, Jordan, y'all. Yeah. All right, guys. All right. Pay attention on this next one though. This one's a little trickier because there's not a button. There's not a button for cosecant, secant, or cotangent. So I'm gonna have to tell you how to get around it. So when you get to those 3, you got to do something special. You got 2 options. First of all, we're back to degree mode just because they'll flip and flop. So go back to shift mode 3. So get there. All right, and here's your 2 options of how to type this one. So you could say 1 over its opposite. Who's the opposite for cosecant? Y, what is it? What's Y? Sine. Opposite of cosecant is sine. So you could type it like this, or you can type it like this. and then use this button.
Okay.
All right. So here's your options. 1 over it, or sign of whatever. It's got to be in parentheses, and then hit that x to -1 button. Either way, they do the same thing. But you got to know it's signed, so we got to watch those. All right, and you should have got 1.4663. So make sure that's good. I tend to lean towards this one.
Yeah, that one's good.
It's a little easier for my eyes and my brain to remember, but they both work.
Yeah.
Now, if you will hit stop there, I'm just going to tell them.